Hello and welcome to Gadget on a Budget. I'm Kanye. Today we've got the Light the Way Novelty Toilet Light that I got from Mr. Price for 100 Rand. It produces 8 colors. At the back here, it shows you the 8 colors that it produces. It tells us that it uses AAA batteries and how to install it. And then moving right along to unboxing it, let's see what's inside. We've got a manual with details on how to install it, how to set the colors, or how to rotate the colors. And at the very bottom here, you've got details on how to clean it. And then on this side of the manual, we have got details about how to switch the lights on and everything. So taking out the light now, we've got this light and it's very, very light and very, very portable. Over here is the button that you use to rotate lights, and over here is the sensor. So the sensor at all times has to face the direction that people are going to be coming in. Over here is the bendable. It's very flexible so that you can adjust the hook when you're going to put it on the toilet seat. So this wire here, you can use it to adjust according to the size of your toilet seat. Moving right along, I'm going to put on batteries so that we can see how it works when you actually install it. Okay, changing batteries. Okay. Oh, and the nice thing about this thing is that, when you don't feel like switching on the main lights in the house when you go to the bathroom, so that you don't fully wake up. So this light, I think, can come in very handy for that. So here's our sensor. I'm going to make sure that when I place it, it faces the door so that it can sense when somebody walks into the bathroom door. And depending on where your door is, you can move the sensor around to make it easy for it to detect when someone walks in. Aha! Look at it. There it is. So whenever somebody walks into the bathroom, it's gonna be dark, right? And then they walk into the bathroom and you'll get this beautiful glow in the bathroom that is not harsh on the eyes as well. So you can do your business in the bathroom and quickly get out. And as long as you're in the bathroom and the sensor can detect movement, it will keep the colors rotating like this until for about a minute. If there's no movement after a minute, it will switch itself off. That is it for today's Gadget on a Budget. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.